Time to take a look at the cordless circular saw. So it does come with a blade. That is a 7¼ inch blade and 42. And here is the saw. We do have a guard here. I also appreciate that we do have a thumb mechanism, so we don't have to put our fingers next to the blade in order to adjust that. It does have a rubber grip, which actually feels pretty nice. We do have a safety. It is not an ambidextrous safety, so this is just going to push from the left. We do have a handle here on the front, so we got a little bit better control. We have our lock right here so that we can adjust the depth of the blade. We have a thumb nut on the top as well as on the back. And that is so we can adjust our bevel. And that is marked 0 to 45 degrees. On the side, we got another thumb nut. And that is for our guide. So if you want to make sure you get a nice straight cut, we can lay this against our material and then just push forward. It's like we got our blade lock button right there. And this is going to be a lefty-loosey. So for circular saws, I'm used to them being righty-loosey, just so that they don't spin off. You just have to make sure this is nice and tight when you attach it. They actually have a spacer in here so that you can use a larger disc on a smaller arbor. We can see that we got an arrow right here, so that is going to tell us the direction that is going to spin. We want the teeth to be cutting in that direction. So I can see that this pressure disc does have cutouts in it, so we don't have to worry as much about that screw backing out. So that is nice, but you still want to make sure you put plenty of torque on it. The one thing you will notice is that this is compatible with DeWalt batteries. It does not come with a battery, so you do have to supply a battery for it, but the nice thing about DeWalt batteries is you can pretty much buy them anywhere. Okay, cool. And that does have a brake on it. That's very important. That is a nice safety feature. I'm glad that they put that on here. And on the motor, they did put a tag letting us know this is 20 volt. It runs at 5,000 RPM and it uses a 7¼ inch blade. So that way, if you ever forget, you'll have a nice reference. The other thing that's nice about this is that this is a brushless motor. So that means the battery is going to last longer. It's going to have more power and you're not going to get that smoke smell that you sometimes get out of brushed motors. So yeah, that thing cuts beautifully. It goes nice and straight. Does not make a lot of noise, which is surprising for a circular saw. So yeah, I'm happy with that. That is a nice saw.